Communication helps us to define and understand ourselves and our environment. Communication breaks down barriers between two or more persons, leading to relationships. Communication creates bonding in groups and affirms the human need to belong. Communication facilitates cooperative action toward goal attainment. Communication informs and enlightens people to facilitate deliberate and informed judgment. Communication leads to enduring friendships and intimacy between individuals and among groups. Communication primes us to understand and respect cultural diversity. Communication catalyzes growth and development of society through dynamic participation of its citizens.